fire. Flip that shit. Hold on, let me see the show 'em. You don't know about it, be about it. Gas. Oh, obviously the header came in, so I'm gonna be putting this on real quick, and I might be making some exhaust. Honestly, whatever they have at AutoZone. I want a magna flow, but I could wait. I want to put this on. Yeah. Well, got the downpipe all made. Already got all the stock exhaust off, mocked it up, tacked it, pulled it off, welded it off the car. Now I'm gonna put the downpipe on. I'm gonna weld the muffler on, and then the little tailpipe. It's not gonna be a full exhaust yet. It's just gonna go to like the axle, because I don't know if I want to go out the bed or a side pipe right now. Kind of want to do like a blast pipe out the side. I think I'm just gonna do that. But for now, got the downpipe done. That sounded like 5K. I like how it sounds. The muffler is good. Hell yeah. This fucking thing runs hella good. Shit sounds cammed. Just needed that little tune. She was idling high. I just gotta like delete everything in this engine bay. Delete all that. Hide the MSB. Get some MSB wires.